Hi, I'm Margaret. I'm a senior at Lowell High School, and this is my project, which is a Hexbug spider that avoids obstacles. How it works is that there are ultrasonic sensors on the front that send out ultrasonic sound and wait to hear the echo, and based on the time that it takes for the echo to reflect, it can convert that to a distance, and if the distance is less than 5 centimeters, it will back up and turn left, and if it's more than 5 centimeters, then it will continue moving forward. And the motion is controlled by the Arduino, the H-bridge, and the motors within the spider. So the Arduino sends out a signal from the pins to either go forward, and that goes through the H-bridge and then to the motors, or it will go backward and then turn left. And the H-bridge allows the forward and backward movement motor to go both backward and forward, because that involves reversing directions of the motor. And some of the major challenges that I faced were that I burnt the circuit board that came with the spider that controlled the movement of the spider, and that was really hard because there were very small components on it, and I had to try to remove things that were put on the circuit board by a machine. So it was reverse engineering, and it was very difficult, and I ended up burning things. And then I figured out that I could just take out that and send signals directly from the Arduino to the motors. And then another problem I faced was when I burnt one of the motors, and then I had to get a new Hexbug because it wouldn't turn. And another problem was that this spider can't carry a lot of weight, so I couldn't get a battery that would give enough power to get the Arduino to work, and also wouldn't cause the robot to stall. So my solution was that I have a battery driving behind it. And so you can see that it will avoid obstacles. It'll walk forward, and then if I put my hand in front of it, it'll stop and turn. And then it continues walking. And my next steps are going to be getting this line sensor to work, which I've already started on. The line sensor is an infrared sensor, and it senses the reflection of light, and depending on how much light is reflected, it can tell what color it is seeing. And so if it sees something black, like a line, it's going to walk forward, and if it doesn't, then it will turn and keep turning until it does find the black line. And some general reflections on the program and on building my spider was that I really learned how to keep working through problems and figure out how to troubleshoot and how to work my way around problems and finding really what exactly the problem was, and also when to kind of try a new approach, like I had to do with the circuit board when I thought I was basically done, because the tutorial that I was working with said you had to have the circuit board, but that was burnt. But I found a different way to do it.